Hi. Let's learn about Manufacturing Resource Planning, MRP II. Manufacturing Resource Planning is an integrated information system used by businesses. It evolved from early Materials Requirement Planning, MRP, systems by including the integration of additional data, such as employee and financial needs. The system is designed to centralize, integrate, and process information for effective decision-making in scheduling, design engineering, inventory management, and cost control in manufacturing. MRP II and MRP are seen as predecessors to Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, which is a process whereby a company, often a manufacturer, manages and integrates the important parts of its business. MRP II is a computer-based system that can create detailed production schedules using real-time data to coordinate the arrival of component materials with machine and labor availability. It is used widely by itself, but it's also used as a module of more extensive enterprise resource planning systems. MRP II is an extension of the original Materials Requirements Planning, MRP I, system, which is a sales forecast-based system used to schedule raw material deliveries and quantities, given assumptions of machine and labor units required to fulfill a sales forecast. By the 1980s, manufacturers realized they needed software that could also tie into their accounting systems and forecast inventory requirements. MRP II was provided as a solution, which included this functionality in addition to all the capabilities offered by MRP I. For all intents and purposes, MRP II has effectively replaced MRP I software. Most MRP II systems deliver all of the functionality of an MRP system. But in addition to offering master production scheduling, bill of materials, and inventory tracking, MRP II provides functionality within logistics, marketing, and general finance. MRP II is able to account for variables that MRP is not, including machine and personnel capacity, providing a more realistic and holistic representation of a company's operating capabilities. Many MRP II solutions also offer simulation features that allow operators to enter variables and see the downstream effect. MRP II includes the functionalities of MRP I, plus the ability to tie into accounting systems and forecast inventory requirements. Here are two key takeaways. 1. Manufacturing Resource Planning, MRP II, is an integrated information system used by businesses. 2. MRP II is an extension of Materials Requirement Planning, MRP. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.